Welcome back. This will be a quick 5-minute update on the goings-on at Talon Preserve, Labor Day edition. We filmed this just before sunset on Labor Day, September 6, 2021, and the reason we did so was that on Saturday morning of Labor Day weekend, they poured the concrete slab foundation for the Clubhouse at the Amenity Center site. That's great progress, something the HOA actually alerted homeowners to in an email. As you can see, we're starting off over Mossy Pine Court, where another villa building looks to be getting its roof tile. We'll turn right onto Crested Eagle Lane, which continues its rapid pace towards completion. There's been at least one more closing on this street, and a few more look likely to happen within the next week or so. Now we'll turn left onto Talon Preserve Drive towards the main circle and the Amenity Center site. As we pass over the Amenity Center site, you can see the concrete slab now in place for the clubhouse. We'll switch to a top-down overhead view for another pass over the clubhouse. As we go over, we'll hover and then orbit there for a bit. Next, we'll get a look at the south end of Eagle Branch Drive and the 4 home sites there, before heading back across the Amenity Center site and down Talon Preserve Drive to the west. As always, if you like what you see, consider clicking that like button and subscribing to see more like this. Work continues steadily on Talon Preserve Drive as more slabs are poured, more blocks stacked, and more roofs getting tiles. There's a brand new plywood roof on the right. Now we'll zoom out to Little Eagle Loop in Phase 2 for a quick flyover. There are now 2 document boxes up at lots here. See if you can spot them. And there are even forms placed at one lot on Winding Pine. Plus, there are now formal stop signs and street signs at the intersections. And that brings us back into Phase 1 and off down Eagle Branch Drive. We turn left over the circle and head back east on Talon Preserve Drive toward the main gate and the entrance. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!